West 11, let's go kid my first banger. Can is another.
She want me. She want me. Dang. She can't even talk straight. Listen, I don't even know you.
Can is another banger. Remember the name of this because I'm pretty sure you never forget the first song I'm here with.
No bush.
No bullshit. Yeah, your name just describes you. Shut up.
Ngihlala eDamet Clearwater.
Don't make clear water.
Yebo.
So are you working or you studying?
Working.
You're working. You don't have to mention your old. I'm old too. How old are you?
I'm 32.
32. You have a child?
I do.
How old?
2 months.
2 months. Then you're not that old. Okay, so what are the challenges that you face like on your normal daily life?
I don't face any challenges.
Don't lie.
I don't.
Okay, so what's that one thing that you have done with like that your parents don't know about yet when you were still a teen? That one craziest thing, the freakiest.
Freakiest?
Yeah.
No, I wasn't freaky. No,
Okay, the craziest
I'm
thing
not a
that you have
freaky
done.
person. I don't know, maybe stealing money. Everyone has done that, so I wouldn't say it's the craziest. I don't know. I wasn't that naughty.
Okay, so what's your favorite song?
My favorite song.
Like your go-to dance move. Let's just say your go-to dance move.
Dance move.
Yeah, like that. You see the songs that are trending now. Which one is your go-to dance move?
What's this?
Okay, so my feet, ne? Can you check my feet? Like, can you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10, I would say you're a solid 7. 7.
Okay, guys, it's reps.
You see how easy it was?
No, no fish.